Example 9. A cone with base diameter 30 mm and axis 65 mm long is resting on vertical plane with its base and axis is parallel to horizontal plane. Draw the projections of the cone. So here you have a cone with base diameter 30 mm and axis height 65 mm, but it is resting on the vertical plane with its base. Observe this point carefully. It is resting on vertical plane with its base and the axis is parallel to horizontal plane. So in this question, the cone is resting on the vertical plane. So we will see how to imagine this cone on the vertical plane now. So I have to place the base of the cone on the vertical plane. So I will first rotate this cone. Now it will become easy for me to place this on the vertical plane. Observe here that I will place the base of this cone on the vertical plane. Now this is the position of the cone which has been given in the question. So when you view it from the front, the cone will look like a circle, and when you view it from the top, it will be a triangle once again. So when I remove the planes, now you can see the triangle easily, and you will draw this triangle in the drawing sheet as here. Now we will see how to draw this front view and top view in the drawing sheet. So I will draw the front view first. Before that, I will draw the axis line. So again the circle diameter is 30, so we are taking the radius as 15 mm. Our front view is simple and it is completed. Now this is the XY line. I'm doing the projection with 2H pencil, lighter pencil. Again the axis height is 65. So from the XY line 65, I have measured this distance as 65. Now simply I need to join this. Also observe that now this view is touching the XY line. Why? Because the cone is resting on the vertical plane. That is why this is touching the XY line. So the dimensioning part, very simple. The axis height. And the base diameter. That's it. Hence our exercise number 9 is completed. So this is the solution of your ninth question. When the cone is resting on the vertical plane, the front view will be a circle and the top view will be inverted triangle. మీకు